In this video, I can show you how to assign your business policies to your listings. eBay have recently launched business policies to help sellers set up payment, returns, and shipping profiles and make it easier for them when listing a product on eBay. You can assign these profiles to your listings in AdLister as well. Go to Listing Templates under Listings, and then click Edit on your listing template. You can scroll down to your seller profiles section here, and you can set up a payment profile, your returns profile, or a shipping profile from the drop downs, and then you can click Save. Please remember that you either need to set up all three of them or none of them for the item to process successfully on eBay. If no profiles are set up, the preset payments and returns options will be used from the listing template and the shipping options which are set per product. After saving, please revise your current listings to get them updated on eBay. New items will have these features assigned automatically. Thank you for watching. If you require further assistance, please visit our knowledge base section on www.adlister.co.uk.